how are you doing today? Welcome to Aparna's Home TV, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to make your own BB cream so that you don't have to buy from the market and you can make it whenever you want to use and it will be there for you. So let's see how to make this. So we are taking a small disposable bowl and we are putting in 2 pumps of sunscreen. Any sunscreen should work fine. I'm using Lancome right now, but it will work with any sunscreen or moisturizer. If you don't want to use sunscreen, like suppose if you want to go out at night and you don't have to use sunscreen at that time, you can just use your favorite moisturizer and your BB cream is ready. So just put 2 pumps. Look at this, 2 pumps of your moisturizer or sunscreen. Anything should work fine. And of course, you need foundation. Today I'm using MAC foundation, but you can use any foundation that you are obsessed with or you are using currently. Anything should work fine. And just 1 drop of your favorite foundation. That's it, 1 pump. And close this lid, and I'm going to use a toothpick and mix this together. Ta-da! Your BB cream is ready, guys. You won't believe it feels lighter on the skin. At the same time, it's not so bad for your skin, and you could use this every day of the week and your skin won't be affected. Like if you use foundation every day of the week, your pores will be filled with foundation. You don't want all that gunk in your pores. So this is the perfect alternative. Sorry for my word. Alternative for those days where you have to go out but don't want to put the foundation routine like that is so long. But it's an everyday thing. You could use this. Yes, if you are going somewhere special, glam it up, baby. But when you have to go somewhere like a grocery store or doctor's appointment or like office or you're a college going kid, this should perfectly work for you, and it will cover your blemishes at the same time show your skin so that you don't feel heavy, you don't feel like you applied something. At the same time, people won't think like you dressed up very heavy for the day. So this is perfect. So I will show you in my next video how to apply this on your skin without using any brushes, and you will be done within 10 minutes for your day. So stay tuned for this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment and share this video if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching me, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.